Good morning guys, day 2 here in Srinagar. The original plan was to explore local Srinagar and all, but then we thought we still have one more day, the last final day here in Srinagar anyway, so we thought let's explore some other locations. Sahil bhai हमको accompany करेंगे next 6 दिन के लिए, so उन्हें दूध पत्री और सोनामार्ग दो ऑप्शन था. मैंने सोनामार्ग गए, wife didn't go. दूध पत्री looked like a good location, but then SONAMARG gets SONAMARG, yeah. So we thought if we can go and come back in the same day, why not? We're not gonna stay there because हमारा stay already book हो चुकी है इधर, and she's excited for SONAMARG.
I'm excited for 0 point.
0 point we might not go because you have to take another car and go again. So today it's gonna be just SONAMARG and back, and then tomorrow पहलगाम, उसके बाद गुलमार्ग. That's the plan. आयल भाई बोल रहे थोड़ा बर्फ़ कम हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो रहा है. अब तो टी शर्ट तो नॉर्मली जून में पहनते हैं, अब मार्च में ही
पहनते हैं.
टूरिस्ट भी ज़्यादा आ रहे थे.
टूरिस्ट बहुत आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा. As you saw, we reached SONAMARG, but before we go out and explore, wanted to fill our stomachs because we need energy to walk or trek or even sit back on the horse ride. I don't know if we can trek because there is a lot of snow, so maybe we have to take a horse ride. I'm not too excited about it. Anyway, the driver stopped by the roadside for a restaurant. The restaurant looked good, but then the restrooms weren't great. So we stopped at this place called Hotel Glacier Heights. Decently good food, lovely keva, some sweet sevia. It's local specialty, rajma as usual, dal fry and some roti. The glacier is somewhere inside. If you remember, we walked all the way from there and inside there last time. Up to walking impossible hai, because there is a lot of snow. So you have 4 options: walk, sled, horse, and a combination of horse and sled. Thanks to Zulfikar Saab, who manages Hotel Mirage. He was luckily here and he spoke and negotiated with these guys for 6,000 for a horse all the way, 6,500. आप तो बहुत मदद कर रहे हैं, आप नहीं है तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाते थे. एंड लकीली आप भी यही टाइम पे इधर था, क्योंकि इनको पता नहीं हम इधर आ रहे हैं. लोकल था प्लान, लोकल नहीं बोला, बहुत ट्रैफिक है और हाँ सोचा कि लास्ट दिन करेंगे.
कर लेंगे एग्जैक्टली. आप जाना लास्ट डे आपके पास है.
ब्राउन हॉर्स, वाइट हॉर्स.
Yes, I like white horse.
कुछ नहीं, हमारा काम वही है.
हमारा भी वही है सब.
So last time we walked all this way, went behind the mountain to the glacier. Apparently it's only till this glacier that's open now because of the snow. I don't know, because the other guy is told it's open. He's saying idhar tak khula hai. Let's see, maybe if there is snow we can't go as such. But I think we could have gone by walk also. It's not that bad.
आपका फोन चल रहा है ना?
हाँ,
मुझे कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर देना, तब तक आप यहाँ इस साइड खेलो. ठीक है? ठीक है सर.
ये है लास्ट पॉइंट. हाँ ठीक है. कोई आगे नहीं जा रहा है ना?
अगर जाएंगे ना सर कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगा. मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा कस्टमर है. ठीक है?
So this is the last point apparently.
रोको.
This stretch looks fine, but it's very slippery. I think they're going. Our guide is telling he'll come once we climb this, come down. He'll drop few people and take us through this route. We'll see how far we'll go. Man, my shoes are so wet. Pata nahi where did they go from?
But I didn't fall like you.
Shoes were all wet to me, huh?
Well,
My socks are already wet, and you should not continue walking when they're wet, especially in snow, because that can lead to hypothermia. Your shoes are not inside. It's not wet because you didn't fall. Good job, and you're steering your horse on your own.
he showed me.
So tell how to do it.
Nothing, there will be a string kind of a thing. So if you just move it to the left, it goes to left.
Okay.
And right. And if you just pull backwards, it will stop.
Okay.
Nice, I loved it.
So people do sled like this. Here I think 2 people are, one is pulling, another is pushing. Somehow I don't like even going through horse rides because I feel they are being kind of punished, not tortured but punished to carry us we should be able to walk. But we would have walked till here and also climbed this. We wouldn't have needed the horse. This is with medium snow. But I don't know if we can go ahead though, because there is that's the tricky challenge. If that is requiring a horse, then maybe. But shoes are a must. Shoes are definitely a must if you wanna. These shoes especially. These are called gummy boots. Chalo, let's go up.
Let's go.
See, this is fine. But kabhi feet go inside. So that's the challenge of trekking in the snow. But fun here. You go there, your feet will go inside. Like that. Made it to the top, but oh boy, pretty exhausted. If you're wondering how much, that's at least an elevation of maybe 1500 feet, 2000 feet. So still coming slowly. Trickiest part is going down. Coming up is actually easy because these don't have the greatest of grips. Snow. Catch. Yes. चलो हमारा horse ride आ गया. While coming down, use the heels. While going up, use the toe. That's the trick I learned. Deख. So last time we went there, climbed that hill and went down to the other glacier. That's blocked apparently, so we're just gonna go till there, come back. I think if you have time, like 6 hours or 5 hours, you can easily walk this stretch with nice gummy boots and come back.
बहुत है सर घोड़े कहाँ पे?
अच्छा
ठीक है सर?
हाँ ठीक है. Hello. Horse ride satisfied?
Yes, very much.
Okay. Only concern abhi we don't know how the route is. If it's safe for the horses, so we have to be careful. That's Billu. ये तूफान.
ये रहा झरना.
अच्छा.
ये नहीं सुनिए थोड़ा ये जब वहाँ पे जाओगे ना इस साइड में पानी है.
Oh, you saw this view last time, na? But not with the snow. This much of snow. Love this place. SONAMARG is the place to come if you're visiting Srinagar. No alternative.
सुनो ज़्यादा है ना फिर उसने क्लोज ही कर दे. फिर हम 6 घोड़े वाले आगे चले गए थे.
हाँ.
फिर हमारे 30,000 चालान कट गए.
अरे वाह, बाप रे. आराम से तूफान.
मैंने वहाँ पे मालिक को ही फंसा है.
Lean back.
मोड़ भी लो. मोड़
Lean back.
यहाँ से
Lean
तार
back.
है.
That's why we're heading back down. Decent climb here.
जब वो बर्फ उठेगी ना उसको
हाँ.
शाम के पे देखना वो बर्फ कैसे चमकता है वो पहाड़ पूरे सोने की जैसे
4-5 बजे को
6-7 बजे तक
6-7 बजे तक.
हाँ.
सही है.
ये कोई बनी खुद जाएगा.
This is scary. कमाल क्या है ना सब. घोड़े नहीं, आप आराम से आ रहे हैं हमके साथ, हमारे साथ.
जब मैं 8 साल का था ना
हाँ.
तब मैं यही काम कर रहा था.
हाँ.
तब से सीख आदत हो गई कि जो भैया यूनियन में काम करता था उसके साथ
हाँ.
में आ रहा था यहाँ पे, इसलिए मुझे आदत थी चलने की.
हाँ जी. नहीं 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 कुछ नहीं है. ऐसे लोकेशन पे आए तो सिर्फ एंजॉय करना है. Look at this glacier though. Massive. इधर स्लिप हो गए तो खेल खत्म. That used to be our room before, but we got an upgrade. Whoa, we have a gym. Trainer Saab, there is a gym, but I had so much cardio, I have no energy to work out. Decent equipment here. I can work out आराम से. This is a perfect place to stay for a week or 10 days. Explore places in and around Srinagar. What do you need? Homely food, gym, good rooms. Talking about good rooms, let me show you the upgraded room. This is their top end room choice. You know, best part of this hotel is this wood feel. You can even smell this. This is real wood, not fake, and it smells throughout the room. So we have our room here, mind the mess, and I sit out here. Small cupboard to keep stuff. Small, like actually decently big. Best part, This is the washroom. If you think this looks like a regular washroom, it's heated and it's not wood, it's flooring. You have a touchscreen here, you turn it on, temperature increase kar sakte. All this for a price of around 6,000 to 10,000 rupees. It might seem expensive initially when you're coming from places like Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, where you get 3,000 rupees hotels in every nook and corner. But in Kashmir, it's a very tourism dependent place. There will be few hotels but a lot more tourists. So the demand is high, hence the prices are high. If you think it from their side, it's sensible. If you think it from our side, it might feel expensive. But how many times would you come to Kashmir or Srinagar? Maybe twice, thrice, maximum 4-5 times if you're crazy like me and my friends who want to ride on a bike and come here. But otherwise 2-3 times is when you would be visiting Srinagar. So in that sense, when you're coming here, stay in a good lovely place and try all the different hotels whenever you're staying here, not just one location. Hello, anything about the place?
I just love the lawn which the owner showed just now.
It might be good in the morning.
Yes,
We need to sit
we need
there.
to go in the morning.
If you get up.
If I don't get up, you go, Ray.
Okay.
Go and shoot and you show me the video. Okay. And yeah, I like the upgrade of this room. I hope my food gets better soon, by tomorrow.
Her foot's swollen a bit. She sprained it in our small trek to the small glacier today. But that's okay, small one. She'll be fine tomorrow. Chalo, gonna have my dessert, local dates. Sit out in the lawn for some bonfire. That's a must now whenever you come to these places. Did I love SONAMARG more this time than our previous trip in July? On and off, 50-50. I like the part where we trekked up the mini glacier. We thought it was, he was gonna take us to the big glacier, but it was the small glacier that he took us. And the charge was for the big glacier, but there was a communication gap, language and all. Our local hotel manager was also at that location, so somehow he discussed and got it done, but even he misunderstood it. Anyway, we at least enjoyed our trek up the mini glacier.
This looks to be like a private bonfire, no?
till someone comes.
Yeah.
Currently around 18 degrees. And I was just telling Shriman how this weather reminds me of our trip in June, July. So, abhi April hai, but it feels like June, July. I don't know about Leh, but for SONAMARG and Kashmir, if you're planning sometime in June, July, I think you can prepone it to May. In fact, maybe April, and if you're adventurous. Chalo. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this night time, have a good night and take care. Bye bye. आपका नाम जी भूल गया मैंने.
मुजफ्फर अहमद.
मुजफ्फर अहमद. थैंक यू, आप ये लगवाया आपको.
कोई बात नहीं.
अच्छा, आप लोग मेहमान को बहुत अच्छे से देखते हैं.
और कश्मीरी का यही है, मेहमान को खूब करते हैं.
हाँ सही है.
कश्मीर के सब लड़के इसी तरह
सही है
करते हैं मेहमान की. चाहे शादी का मेहमान आएगा, चाहे और घर में कोई मेहमान आएगा या होटल में कोई मेहमान आएगा, इसके लिए वो
अच्छी बात है. सब आपके लिए सब अच्छा होना है. Aru Valley Point. You see the trail here. This view itself is spectacular. Why are you torturing that?
No, I'm not torturing it. So soft, so cute.
The stones are so cold. I'm on barefoot. So cold. आपका घोड़े का नाम क्या है?
सुल्तान है.
सुल्तान है.
हाँ.
सही है.
किसका? टाइगर.
टाइगर.
ये टाइगर जिंदा है.
After a trek of almost 1.5 hours, we have reached the main spot. It's called the Mini Switzerland here in Pahalgam. Look at the weather. Kulfi too is really good. Loving it.